Right, here's the revisit to the Craft 650 watt one. Here's the old Schneider. This one always fires up no matter what. Just disconnect the mouse a second. Yeah, so not really much to say on this one. I use it regular to string with that, and that's about it. I've still got the other one. I forget what it is now. This one. I forgot what it is. It's been that long since I've used it. Generac. Just waiting to get the tank welded up. It's a bit. The handle broke off it ages ago. Just never bothered with it. Yeah, so I put some. Obviously, I'll put the tank on and put choke on and turn the fuel on. Yeah, and let's give it a pull. Runs like clockwork, never fails. That Generac's been a right pain in the butt. Oh, I think I did upload a video a while ago, but I've also got this 2-stroke generator thing. It's a big one. It's a Wolf Power 1050. It does run and it produces power, but it gives out too much voltage, which is going to be for a nice sunny day when I've got a bit of patience. Yeah, it runs perfectly fine. Smokes a bit more than the other one for some reason, but it's got the same fuel, same mixture. Sweet as a nut. Never fails. Apart from when it's really cold, the recoil doesn't like going back in. Yeah, we can give a bit of power, but I also prefer this one because the plug socket's not broken like that one is. It's always good. It still smokes. I think that's about it for today. Got something out. Oh, I've still got the other one. One sec. Like the old Honda portable ED300, what smoke like hell. I've not run that for a long time either. It's got to be in a year or two. I think the petrol tank's dry as a bone. Oh, looks like there's a bit of condensation in there or something. Oh, I might get it to well in a minute. These 4 videos for today. Right, that's it for me. And I'll have to need to get the shed sorted out, and so I've got some workspace because I don't like working on the floor. But I've also got an old diesel one. I think it's a Lister Petter AC3, I think it is. But it's missing a muffler and a crank handle. I bought a crank handle, but it was the wrong one. But I need to try that one again. That's upstairs. That is. It's out and away. It's for a very rainy day. That one is. But yeah, we'll sort something out. Let me know if you want to see the GP run. Alright, see you in a bit. I'll get some more videos knocked out soon, eh?